Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you all about this book called Grumpy Monkey by Suzanne Lang and illustrated by Max Lang. I can't recommend this book enough. I think it is such a fabulous book. At first you look at it and you're like, ooh, do I want my kid learning about a grumpy monkey? But it teaches in such a nice way. It teaches children that bad days are okay and they happen, and it doesn't mean anything's wrong with you, and it's okay. And it's okay for others to be in a bad mood. So the illustrations are so nice. They are really cute. It's all about this monkey. I'll read the back. It says, one wonderful day, Chimpanzee woke up to discover that nothing was right. And throughout the book, he tells everyone, I'm not grumpy. But they're like, you kind of seem grumpy. And then in the end, it shows just the support of our friends and how it's okay to just have some bad days sometimes. I think it's great for teaching about depression as well. So I could not recommend this more. I love that this is a feature in our library, and I think you will love it too. And that is my point of view.